Roscoe and I just got here to the campsite. Right, Roscoe? He's ready to go. So let's go set up. I'm getting set up right now, and here's the stuff that I have. And here's Roscoe chilling. And I'm going to go ahead and set up in this area right there. And I'm going to put a tarp. As you can see, there's a camper on the other side. And I'm just going to add some privacy for both of us with my tarp. I'll be using my new tent tonight. I'm going to see how good it is in the cold. It's an REI tent. It's pretty dope. Oh, Roscoe. Got me set up here. Alright, finished setting up the tent, and this is what it looks like. Let's take a look inside. As you can see, there is lots of room in here. Oh yeah. Well, there's the setup, and yeah. Roscoe and I are going to go ahead and take a walk and explore the nature. Yeah. Come on, Roscoe, let's go. Roscoe is one of my friend's dogs, and coincidentally, we're matching. This is a fire log.
Gear setup. I kind of just did it really quickly. Where's the left reef line? Really dedicated, we're gonna do that. But I can't ride in snow. So no point camping in snow.
Tom's almost set up here, just getting his clothes ready. We both have REIs, 1, 2, and 3. I didn't bring dinner, so we're gonna go grab dinner in a little bit, but I just brought breakfast, so yeah. Good morning, everybody. It is morning time. Gonna make breakfast, and I think Tom is just getting up as well. Good morning there, buddy. How you doing, Roscoe? Yeah, he slept good. Look at him. Yeah, look at you. You slept good, didn't you? Yeah. It was a great night. It rained a little bit and all that good stuff, but not too much, but it was good. And I normally like sleeping alone because if there's like snoring or any kind of weird breathing, I can't sleep. But Roscoe, he did pretty well. He didn't even make a noise when he was sleeping, so that's good. Last night we went on some trails that were for day use only, but we didn't stay there very long. We were just exploring the area a little bit. The night was overcasted. There were clouds, but the moon lit up the sky really. I mean, it wasn't even dark. I was expecting it to be pitch black, but it wasn't, which turned out nice though. We lit a little fire and then went to bed. And yeah. Good morning, Tom.
Good morning.
All right, Tom's using his jet boil with these. So he forgot his press part, the filter part. So we're using a microfiber towel to press it with.
Let's try it this way.
He's got to have his coffee, he says, right?
Gotta have a coffee.
Okay.
It's gonna be.
Let's see.
This is mostly Jeep's idea.
It should work though, yeah?
It's my idea if it works.
Oh, okay, that's how it works.
Yeah.
I'm gonna market these
Microfiber
microfiber
towel.
Yeah.
Work as a coffee filter.
Oh, dude.
You could do a whole
yes.
YouTube thing on this.
Seems to be working, folks. I think this is a first. Oh, heck yeah, look at that. It's just going down. It's the other part there. Ooh.
Looks like coffee.
Okay, what does this taste like? Microfiber.
Yeah, actually worked. It
Okay.
worked.
It worked, y'all.
Yeah.
Okay, so
In
if
fact,
you
even the mix was pretty decent.
so go ahead and tell them if they forget their what?
If you forget the bottom part of this, which is supposed to plunge down and like a French press the coffee down. You can use a microfiller. So that's really works perfectly.
And there you have it, folks. First on YouTube, I think.
All right. You're not supposed to look at the camera.
Here, cheers.
Cheers.
Boom. The sun is coming up. 1, 2, and go. The sun is coming up. The sun is coming up. And yeah, so glad everyone. And 1, 2, and 3. The sun's coming up. Thanks for joining Roam with Jeep. Until next time.